Ngayon, dala natin yung ating unang-unang BMW, yung isa sa pinaka-paborito kong motor. Dito naman sa harap, may nakita akong bitak dito, kaya natakot ako yung mga ganyan, no? Tingnan mo kung gaano kadelikado yan, no? Since day one, this is my bike. Ito mismo yung logo ko, eh. Morning, guys! Alam mo, ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko pag pupunta ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang feeling ko yung problema ko sa motor maayos agad.
What's your riding style?
Kahit ano po, off-road, highway, racetrack, I can do it.
Okay, I saw your video. You won the Manubela Challenge.
Are we going to stay one day in
We're
Switzerland?
going to stay one whole day and
Yes!
we'll have to meet there.
Ngayon lang ako di nag-ride
Right.
talaga kasi ako yung ginawang race director ng Manubela
I
Challenge.
see. Okay.
Ito yung loop natin. We're stuck in Garmisch, tapos...
So do you have friends that you want to invite?
Yes, Karen, brand ambassador here of BMW. Yan, nananawagan po kami guys if you want to come. Ito yung on-road.
These are the on-road tours. This is Stelvio Pass.
What kind of resort?
La Jolla.
She's not yet contacting me.
Okay, he wants a water system.
What is your request? Come on, say it to them.
No, Dad.
If you could please do your videos
Yes?
with English clash.
Alam mo ba, Mami, kapag unang slice daw ng cake, kung yun daw yung una mong susubuan, yun daw ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay. Tandaan mo, dito ako para tumulong, hindi para mamerwisyo. Dahil subscriber naman kita, follower pa kita, lagi ka namamanood, may top fan badge ka ba? Last 2 days ago, kausap ko kahapon, Aquapura Water Refilling Station. Hindi niya kinarir yung water station kasi may tracking business na to. Kikita pala ng 130,000 net every month. Mga naka-BMW to pare, lahat to, kausap ko lang kanina. Lahat yun may tubigan galing sa akin. Tapos lahat sila very satisfied sa binili sa akin. Ang tubigan po, araw-araw may pera ka. Good morning mga idol. Good morning asawa kong maganda. Ngayon dala natin yung ating unang-unang BMW, yung isa sa pinaka-paborito kong motor. Na 2 beses na nating nai-Ironman. Ngayon magpapalit tayo ng gulong yan. Galing yan kay Carscoot. Subukan natin kung maganda yung Pirelli Scorpion 3. Mami, masarap palang may tropa ka na may bike hauler, no? Negosyante ako. Hindi na kailangan pumunta doon. Yung motor, diniliver nga pala ako ni Carscoot kahapon ng Yamaha Tenere. Hindi na ako nahihirapan bumili ng motor. Hindi na ako nahihirapan na...
Deliver na sa
Oo, pwede pala i-deliver sa bahay, no? Galing. Parang kailan lang, dito tayo. Ngayon, dito na naman tayo. Pero dito kami ngayon para makipag-meeting sa ride namin sa Berlin, Germany. Para malaman ko yung detalye.
Nakaload ba yung bike, boss?
Nakaload sa van.
Pwede na kami makapag.
Sige, pwede na ibaba, boss. Susi ng van. Ay, lakas ng kuryente mo, boss, ah.
Oo nga, boss eh.
Sulit na ba to? Paano ba malalaman? Ito. Malalim niya. Malalim na rin, ano? Mabilis maupod kasi yung dual sports tong gulong, eh. Dito naman sa harap. May nakita akong bitak dito, kaya natakot ako yung mga ganyan, no?
Apoy parang nakapasok si sir.
Oo. Tuturo ko sa'yo, boss. Ito. Ayan.
Oo nga sir.
Ayun, nabibiyak ko. May nakita pa ako, ang laki talaga. Dali, hanapin ko lang. Ito, boss, oh. Tingnan mo kung gaano kadelikado yan, no? Palitan na natin, no? Tsaka itong gulong medyo may edad na rin, eh. Tapos pa-check na rin ako kung ano yung dapat gawin. PMS, change oil kung kinakailangan na. Pero lang ko, kaka-change oil lang ito, eh. Check na rin, may mga nag-warning sa display niya. Pasuyo na lang ako, sir, no? So, ito yung ikakabit natin. Pirelli pa rin tayo na Scorpion Trail 3. Marami ang nagsasabi, magandang gulong daw to para sa GS natin. Kapit na kapit sa kalsada. First time kong gagamit ng gantong gulong. Pero actually, nung nag-ride ako sa abroad, mayroon akong naggamit, ganito yung gulong, okay naman. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Daya mo, sir. Sila lang hinihimas mo, sir. Ganda, pang trail talaga, oh. Anong motor yan?
650 GS.
650cc na GS? Pang off-road, no?
Oo, boss. May makita man kaming 650 na ganyan, hindi ganyan.
Na-sold na yung kasabay ng motor ko. Motor ni Ella pala. Ibang klase din yung grip ng gulong nito. Ito yung stock niya. Oh, ito talaga, sir. Hindi ko talaga papawalan to, sir. Since day one, this is my bike. Ito mismo yung logo ko, eh.
Napanood ko yung huling vlog.
Yes, sir.
Dalawang lalaki naman. Doon kasama ko sa Bisbil. Nagpapaano rin ako, papapil.
Kasama mo sila. Si Miles. Oh, kasama ka rin nila. Kasama na rin kita. Kasama ni Miles. Naatasan tayo na mag-officiate as race director ng Manubela, eh. Hindi ako makasama, boss. Bilis binaklas, oh. Ang dali lang baklasin, eh, no? Palpak lang eh. Basta may flower kaya ata, ayos na eh. Hi Karen!
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Alfred? Ella?
Yes. I recognize her.
Habang nagpapagawa kami ng motor namin, magmi-meeting muna kami. Buti pa rito, may pambaklas talaga, boss, eh, no? Tubeless ba yan?
Tubeless.
Oo, tubeless, no? O, ikaw nang bahala, boss, ha? Iwanan ko na sa'yo yan.
So, pag siguro sa banggihan to, boss, maano eh.
Naubos na ba sa banking? Sa gilid ang ubos din, umubos, oh. Oh,
Ang galing ka sa likuan, sir, ah.
magaling ba sa liguan? Di naman masyado, boss.
Ay, yung hiya ako dun sa ano mo, sa
Saan?
bata mo.
Bakit?
Ka-chat ko pa 12:30 na madaling araw.
Kumay, okay lang yan.
Pero yun na nakuha mo na.
Yes, okay na, boss. Pasensya ka na, boss, ha?
Pasensya na rin.
Morning, guys! Alam mo, ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko pag pupunta ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang feeling ko yung problema ko sa motor maayos agad. Ma'am, wag akong pinapanood niyo, magagalit si sir. Kasi hindi talaga ako makapanood mo kasi si ma'am yung binibideo ko, yung asawa ko.
Hindi, kasi lagi siya nanonood sa'yo. Nung nakita ko, oh, idol niyan. Huwag ka na.
Distance is 200 to 350 kilometers.
Okay.
So very doable. Usually, pag alis sa hotel, every morning is around 9 a.m. And then the target is to arrive at the next destination by 3 to 5 p.m. Para may time pa kayo mag-ikot ng konti or rest. It's not too stressful. Medyo relaxed. What's your riding style?
Kahit ano po, off-road, highway, racetrack, I can do it.
Yes, okay, nabanggit ni Ronald kanina because I told him that I'm meeting you and he was like, kung nagmotor yan, dapat nandito na yan kanina pa.
Hindi kami nagmotor ngayon. Kayo na ka pa ba dito?
I got here around 9,
Sorry.
almost 9. No, it's fine. Car.
Dapat magmumotor kami.
Yeah.
Kaya lang sabi niya, sayang yung luwas natin.
Wala
kung
kaming
hindi
purpose
mo,
eh. I mean, wala kaming dala. The purpose is the meeting. But sabi ko sa kanya, sayang yung bike ko. Gusto kong gamitin yung bike. But yung gulong kasi, crack. Baka sumabog sa expressway to. Sabi ko, delegado. So, pinapalitan ko ngayon ng gulong. Maarte ako sa gulong, ma'am eh.
Hindi, importante yan eh.
Tsaka pagka nagtutur kami sa We Ride Abroad, ang checho ko talaga gulong. Kasi sabi ko, pag ganito yung gulong na papagamit mo sa akin, talaga I really insist na palitan nyo yung gulong. As much as possible, you can give me at least 90% of the tire condition. Kung sa akin inabutan, yari ako, bayad ko naman yung bike.
Yeah.
Diba?
Well, with these bikes that you guys will be using, they're all, if not brand new, they're
Ano, top condition
new,
naman.
Top
Yes.
condition.
Okay, very good.
The mechanics of TWT Moto are also BMW mechanics. All
Very
the bikes
good.
are checked. Of course, check it din para ano.
Of course,
para
yes.
sure. Mostly away from highways. There may be a part where we would go on a highway, but it's just short. It's mostly like
How many days? 9 days, right? Para tayong nag-boss Ironman ng 9 days. Kasi it's only 1,200 kilometers. Twisties na
Yes,
lang.
oo. Well, the purpose of this talaga is to enjoy
And sceneries.
scenery, and then, you know, you
Sige.
make friends with everybody.
Mga Pinoy ba kasama natin, ma'am?
All Pinoy natin,
Wow.
yes. I have mga 30 na.
Galing.
Kuya, yayain mo na si taga Bulacan, baka may slot pa.
Si
itong
Carscoot
favorite
kaya,
ko.
si Joby, si Vinci. Yeah, let's try, no? Baka gusto nila, no? Kaya lang, kasya pa ba?
Dito sa tour na to, kasya pa. I can accommodate hanggang 20.
Nakamotor tayo, dadaan tayo ng Switzerland.
Yes.
Wow. Bigla ako na-excite. Kasi ma'am, we wanted to come back to Switzerland riding a motorcycle. Kaya lang, wala kaming makitang...
Maganda ko sa yung scenery.
All on road, there might be some portions if we go through old towns where it's like cobblestone or
Okay.
some gravel. Mga parking areas might be a little bit of gravel, but otherwise it's all road. On-road difficulty level is 2, so there's 3 levels. So this is medium. Switchbacks and hairpin turns. I saw your video. You won the Manubela Challenge before.
Yeah, wow.
Ayan, kaya mo yan.
Yeah. May switchback po kami.
Tsaka nag-ano na kami, na media ride.
We'll be in Garmisch for the Motora Days.
Okay.
This is July 4. Yeah, that's a Friday.
Note mo na, mami. July 4.
I will edit this para hindi din
Yes, so please, oo. Mas maganda pag sinend mo sa akin yung...
Oo, yun yung edit.
para
Isasend ko sa'yo. Yung-
Tsaka pag
yung
nag-invite ako, ma'am, at least hindi na rin sila malilito
para yun na lang yung-
haba ng schedule.
Si Ken
diba?
Probably by tonight or tomorrow masasend ko.
Okay, sige.
On the first day in Garmisch at Motora Days, there is going to be a big party tent dinner. So this is like the Oktoberfest style.
Yeah, parang lasingan yan. Yan
Oh,
yan.
yeah. So there's a lot of beer. It comes in like a 1 liter
Mug.
napakalaki. There's a live band. We have lots of food. This dinner is actually not part of the tour. Usually you have to buy your own tickets, but
Okay.
BMW Philippines every year will sponsor all the Filipino
Oh.
who attend. So it's 100 euros per head, sponsored by BMW Philippines.
Oh, nice.
So kasama din tayo dyan. So, kasi there's like 2 sections. There's like the VIP section, which is where we will be.
Doon tayo sa
There's
VIP?
Oo.
Wow.
Full crowd. Yung parang nakatayo lang sila or nasa labas. So, doon tayo sa loob.
Parang nakaka-proud, no? You are the Filipino, tapos nasa Germany ka, tapos VIP treatment ka naman.
And then you're also going to be given shirts from BMW Philippines. So we will request that you wear that on this evening, on July 4 sa
Wow.
gabi. So that's a lot of fun. Inuman, party, dancing, you get to
Nice.
eat a lot, hang out with all the other people. And then on the second day, which is a Saturday, July 5, it's like a free day. You can go around BMW Motora Days.
Is there's also a test ride for the obstacle course? Kasi
There's test ride.
sa BMW Motorrad Thailand, ang daming test ride. Matatry mo lahat eh. You can do on the road, you can do it on the off-road,
Yes.
mayroon obstacle silang mga pinagagawa
Yes,
doon.
meron yan.
Galing ah.
Actually, TWT Moto is also handling the test rides of BMW Motora Days. So all of the BMW models nandiyan lahat.
Okay.
So whatever you want to try, it's there.
So how many days
Bikes.
ang stay natin sa Garnish?
So we'll have 3 days in Garmisch. So 4, 5, 6. Tapos 7 take-off tayo.
Okay.
And Motora Days is actually Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So madami
Okay.
kayong maikutan. Kasi at Motora Days, there's test rides, there's custom builds, there's stunt shows, like
Okay.
mga motocross stunt shows.
Are we going to stay one day in
We're
Switzerland?
going to stay one whole day and
Yes!
we'll have 2 nights there.
Parang in Switzerland ako excited.
Actually, sabi ko, i-duplicate natin tong tour. Ito talaga yung gusto ng lahat.
Yeah, oo. Kasi usually ganyan ang nangyayari sa tour namin. Eh, we want to stay longer dito sa place na to. But kaya lang yung tour kasi, we have to go. Kaya tinatanong ko agad kung ilang araw ba tayo doon para at least nakaprep na yung isip namin na, sulitin natin yung oras natin dito sa Switzerland. 2 days, 1 night, ha?
2 nights.
1 day and 2 nights?
2 nights ka doon. Pagdating mo doon, isang gabi.
Okay.
O, isa pang araw, whole day, tapos isa pang
So 2 days
gabi.
nga?
Oo, 2 days.
Oh, okay.
Oo,
Darting tayo doon ng morning, right?
Day,
No,
hapon,
we will arrive
Hapon.
mga 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Okay.
Usual na ride.
Okay,
Relax
buong
ka
araw
lang,
nandun
ba't ka
tayo.
Na-excite nga ako eh. Na-excite nga ako eh.
The next day, buong araw nandun tayo. And then,
Sige,
so
sige.
we'll have 2 nights. And then on the 3rd day, that's when we leave. We'll be going up to the Jungfrau Railway, which is a World UNESCO Heritage Site.
Yan.
And this
Yan ang
is-
madami sa Morocco. They have 7 UNESCO World Heritage. That's why we love Morocco. Meron sa Switzerland. Right, okay.
We're gonna be doing that on the rest day natin. Optional if you want to ride or if you want to not ride.
Okay?
Usually, kunyari, half of the group wants to ride, half of the group doesn't want to ride. Okay lang,
Yep.
no problem. Kasi there's always 2 tour guides naman.
Ay, maganda, no? Nakahati.
Yeah.
Ito, hindi naman to fast pacing, no? Wala namang
No,
mabibilis dito.
whatever the pace is that the majority of the group will do.
Okay.
You know, especially if you're on the twisties and stuff, just go whatever you're comfortable with. Other people might go a little bit faster, some will go a little bit
Kasi gusto namin enjoyin yung
Yeah,
twisties.
enjoy the views. Yung ano lang is you don't pass the tour guide. The tour guide always stays in the front.
Okay. Picture? Okay po. Thank you po. Excuse lang, Ma'am Karen, ha? Taga saan kayo, boss?
Malolos. Baprod ko po kayo.
Ay, ganun. Hey, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, rest day, optional to ride or not ride. From Grindelwald, we will be going to Feldkirch. So this is in Austria.
Okay.
We're also going to go through Lake Lucerne. There's a ferry ride.
Luzerne, yeah. Ang ganda niyan.
Dami talaga magaganda makikita dito. I think this is going to be one of the prettiest. Our last day, we will be going from Feldkirch back to Garmisch. Okay, so that's where the tour ends. We'll have one last night. Usually on the last night, we'll have a fellowship, we'll have one more dinner. Like last year, yung ginawa namin sa last night, nag-inuman din. And then the very next day, after breakfast or whenever you check out, that's it. Go home na and hopefully you join us again.
Of course, basta may invite. Kami ni Ella, once a month kami, we ride abroad.
Wow!
Hindi, thrice a year.
Check my schedule.
Okay yun.
Ay, sorry. Yabang, sorry.
Okay lang yan.
Ngayon lang ako di nag-ride talaga kasi ako yung ginawang race director ng Manibela
Oh, I
Challenge.
see. Okay.
Sabi ko, this April, we won't ride. Nag-extend, inabot ng May. At supposed to be dapat nasa Patagonia yata tayo, right?
Yung Himalaya lang at saka
Ay, yung Himalayas.
Turkey pa lang
Ay, nakabook. Ayun lang
Pero
yung-
ito, nung nakita
This
nakita ko.
nung nakita namin to,
Gusto ko yun kasi may Switzerland.
oo, yun talaga namin.
Diba?
Gustong balikan.
Yun
Yes,
talaga yun.
Karen.
Sabi ko sa kanya, sana mapansin tayo.
Sana mapansin mo kami.
Na sumama sa ride.
Kasi we want to join. Kaya lang we don't know kung sino yung pwede namin kontakin. Eh syempre ma'am, nung nakita ko, Karen Kennedy, ay foreigner, patay, dugo yung lung ko dito. Sabi ko kay Ella, ikaw na kumontak.
Kaya pala.
Ako yung one.
Kumontak siya.
Tapos sabi ko, tawagan mo na, binigay na sa akin yung number.
Alam mo-
Tapos sabi niya, tinatawagan ko mami, kaya lang hindi sumagot. Sabi niya. Tapos tatawagan ko na lang siya. Tapos kinamusta niya, ano mami, kamusta yung ride natin sa Switzerland? Wow, ride natin.
Wow, pride natin. Ha?
Wala ko pa. Tapos sabi ko, Dad, hindi ko pa nakakausap.
Hindi
Sabi
pa.
ko, tawagan mo. Ikaw na kumontak sa
Tapos kinontak ko siya, I'll text her, nag-reply, Tagalog. Uy, Tagalog, sabi ko. Nung una, nag-English pa siya eh. Nitagot ko rin ang English eh. Tapos pagtawag ko sa kanya, Ma'am, nagkasalita ka naman Tagalog, di ba? Yes, sir.
I'm half Scottish. Half Scottish, half Filipino. And then I've lived here most of my life.
Ano ma'am, medyo napaso kami ma'am dahil sa, English speaking to. Buti nga naglakas loob akong tawagan kayo.
Now look, magsa-Switzerland na tayo.
Yan.
Dahil naglakas loob ka.
Yan.
Kasi gustong-gusto talaga namin.
Yan. So sa mahina ang loob dapat, try mo muna kasi.
Kasi when you called me,
Hindi ka na binalikan ni Ella, right?
yeah, kasi I called back kasi may kausap ako. Hindi ko ma-reject yung call. When I called back, wala. And I was thinking, hindi na ako na-reply. And then you added me on Facebook. I was like, ayan, here we go.
Tuloy na.
Yeah, tuloy na to.
So this is our general loop that we're going to be doing.
Okay.
Garmisch is up here. So dito tayo yung start and then we're going to go down this way.
Ito yung loop natin. We're start in Garmisch, tapos bakit ba yung missing part?
Hindi ko din alam.
Dapat
Pero
tuloy yan eh.
tutuloy yan, tutuloy yan.
Tutuloy and then ikot pa ganun. So this is 1,200 ride.
Zigzag.
Zigzag, twisties. So just a recap ma'am.
So we're going to go from Germany,
Germany to
down to Italy in Livigno.
Italy, wow.
Yes, and then from there we go stop in Grindelwald in Switzerland, and then up to Feldkirch over here in Austria, and then back to Germany.
Iyo. That's a recap. Excited ka ba, boss?
Libre mo na ako.
Sa mga gusto sumama sa amin, sama kayo sa amin ni Ella at saka ni Miss Karen. Have fun and enjoy our motorcycle. Aanihin mo yung may motor ka nga, hindi mo naman ginagamit.
Uy, dadalhin mo doon.
No, I mean,
Ride dito sa Pilipinas.
oo, ito abroad to eh. Iba to. Yung price natin, no?
4,990 euros on a 1300 GS.
Okay. Lahat ng bike niyan available doon sa...
Lahat yan available.
Okay.
Yes.
Huwag tayo mag 310.
So our 1300 GS, yung sinasabi ko na 310.
Doon ako nakatingin. Sorry.
Dito tayo base ha, sa euro price.
Euro.
Philippine pesos, that was just the price, the exchange rate on the day na ginawa ko tong PDF file.
Okay. So pagka
Yeah.
tumaas
So-
ang euro, pwedeng bumago yan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
it can go
okay.
up. This will fluctuate. This will stay this. All of the tour guides in TWT, they're all BMW certified.
Okay,
Talaga.
speaking of insurance, ma'am, usually pag nag-insurance tayo, we have to give deposit.
Yes.
Ang magkano
that's
yun,
here.
ma'am?
2,500.
Pwedeng card yan.
Pwedeng card
card,
yan,
pwede
tapos
card.
balik na lang sa...
Babalik na lang pag walang
Yeah,
nangyari.
if nothing happened, it won't be touched. You get it back.
Never
So
pa
that's
naman
standard.
akong na-charge dyan.
Never. It's never gonna happen.
Just to
Of
be
course.
sure, di ba?
Possible.
Just to be clear. If the bike, hindi naman umaandar, nabuwal,
If it's damaged, may konti pa din.
may konti.
Yes.
May crash guard naman, di ba?
Oo, usually.
Kaya usually at BM pag nabubuwal, di naman nagagasgas basta-basta. Yung mga Turkish na kasama namin nag-ride, talagang semplang pero wala namang na-charge sa insurance na. Yung pinakagasgas lang sa sa crash guard, proven naman na yan.
The BMW tour guides,
Okay.
they are all very well first aid.
Yeah,
They
very good.
will be able to handle minor repairs on your motorbikes,
Okay.
say flat tire or mga
Yeah.
small issues.
Yeah.
They are going to be able to adjust the tour based on the needs of the riders.
Doon sa luggage transportation natin, ma'am, how many luggage ang pwede namin dala?
Yes, good question. You can put in whatever you carry on your plane. Like one big luggage plus a small carry-on, yung parang small trolley bag.
Sanay na kasi kami, ma'am, na napagkakasya namin sa box lang ng BM lahat ng gamit namin
Yeah.
for 10 days. Pero ma'am, at least maganda may backup vehicle tayo. So
Yeah.
lahat ng maleta namin, yes, hindi na tayo matutulog ng mabaho. Last time na nag-ride kami ni Ella, malamig naman yung lugar. Yes, hindi naman kami namamaho. Pero parang parang hindi kami sanay na yung damit inuulit. Last time wala kaming backup vehicle. Pag may backup vehicle ka kasi, of course, mas mahal ang gastos.
Also because the person driving the backup vehicle is
So, masako din yun.
kasi usually nagsasalitan sila.
Yeah,
The tour guides.
Yung pinapayos ko na yung visa namin, no? Kailangan daw ng invitation letter.
I will give you that. Yes.
Okay, walang problema sa invitation letter.
Yes.
Ilang days ba yung usually visa? 30 days lang yan, di ba?
Do you have a travel agency?
Ang nag-ayos si
Kayo?
Kuya Alan sa
Si
amin.
Alan,
Okay.
Alan Lee. Siya yung taga-ayos ng mga Europe visa
Yeah,
namin.
sometimes it's like 7 days or less. Lalo na pag ipa-rush nyo, pag VIP nyo. If you have too many things, we can request naman sa TWD na iwan sa
Iwan na
office.
lang.
Iwan na lang doon, yes. So, hindi kami pabigat sa ride. As much as possible, we will be your parang partner. Para
Dalhin
next...
nyo lang kami sa magandang lugar.
Yeah, para next time, ma'am, ma-invite nyo pa kami.
Yung hindi kasama sa tour is your airfare,
Okay.
fuel.
Fuel, okay.
All the different entrance fees and any personal expenses such as alcoholic drinks, lunch, hindi din kasama.
Hindi
ng
kasali.
snack.
Dinner, hindi kasali.
Dinner kasama dito.
Nice, ha?
Yeah. Just
Akala ko, breakfast lang. Kasi usually sa hotel, may breakfast na agad.
Yeah, di ba?
Oo.
Oo. Tapos if
So may
anything,
pa-dinner.
kapsala.
Every night pa to may dinner party tayo.
Oo.
Parang ganun ang
We're all
dating,
gonna
no?
get together and
Yes, so yun ang maganda, no? Tapos sabay-sabay yan.
Sabay-sabay yan.
So this is 2 groups.
Most likely we'll have 2 to 3 groups.
Okay.
Yes. Each subgroup will have their own tour guide.
Okay.
Medyo pa iba-iba yung take off.
Pag nasa kalsada tayo, yung isang group, medyo nakalayo na yun, around 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
something like that, oo.
Tayo naman, take off na rin tayo.
Hindi abala ka sa kalsada eh.
Yes.
Isang mahaba.
Isang mahaba, yeah. So usually 10 big bikes. So ang mga yari nito, pag nasa coffee shop na sila, paalis na sila, parting pa lang tayo.
There might be some areas, kunyari for lunch, depending on where we're going, because some of the towns are kind of small, so the restaurants might not be so big. So it's possible during the day while you're riding, kakainan natin pa iba-iba. Every time at dinner, we'll be together.
Is it allowed to bring drones or cameras?
Cameras, yes, no problem. I think in certain areas it won't be allowed.
Yeah, wag na lang tayo magdala.
In some areas it's a little different kasi in Europe, like if they're strict, they're really
Yeah.
strict.
Yes.
So you can't,
Baka mamaya makulong pa ako dahil sa drone.
Parang why?
Last time, pag landing namin ng Marrakesh, may drone, kinonfiscate na agad. 2 drone ko.
Dalawang drone.
Kinonfiscate talaga.
Ah, talaga?
Not unless dun kami ulit sa airport na yon.
so
Mauuwi
you can
namin.
get it.
I can get it.
Oo,
Kaya
kaya lang hindi eh.
Casablanca kami.
Casablanca na kami pa uwi.
Ay, so bye-bye na.
Bye-bye drone. Mas mahal kung pupuntahan ko pa and then whatsoever. Buti lang nandiyan si Pro Gadget PH. Shout out to Pro Gadget PH. Buti lang nandyan siya para support ako. JM Mendoza, thank you, pare.
This is not something that we will require, but I would strongly suggest that you get an international driver's license.
Ay, meron
Yes,
na.
I have 3 years visa for driver's license.
Yes. Oo. Kasi hindi mo masabi, baka hanapin nila.
Oo.
We have
Lagi-
Philippine driver's license and we have international driver's
kahit,
license.
kahit hindi kailangan, sinasabi
Yeah.
hindi naman kailangan, hindi ko kami.
Kuha pa rin.
Oo, definitely.
Tsaka may insurance pa rin yan.
Some people, they like to buy their gear when they arrive at the
Oo,
destination.
maganda yan, ano?
Which is also nice because, syempre, yung mga latest nandyan na.
Oh, nandun na eh,
Sa
no?
atin dito, it takes a little while to get the latest apparel and the latest gear. The only risk that you're gonna take is
Your
they have your size.
Yun ang problema.
This is the BMW Motora Days Alps Delight Tour. I will give you guys a booking form. There's a
Okay.
separate booking form for the passenger and for the rider.
Okay.
So I'll request for you guys to fill that up, send it back to me
Okay.
as soon as possible kasi medyo
Okay.
malapit na. Once you have given me your booking form, I will send you your invoice.
Okay.
And payment options are you can do a bank transfer. The payment goes straight to Germany. It doesn't pass through me. Bank transfer or credit card payment.
Okay.
I will request for a payment link.
Okay.
And then also I will give you the letter of invitation
Okay.
for visa
visa.
purposes. So if you have friends that you want to invite,
Yes, Karen, brand ambassador here of BMW. Yan, nananawagan po kami guys if you want to come. Malapit ito, so dapat may post ko agad yung video ito para makapaghanda kayo. So pupunta tayo ng Germany, Austria, Italy, Switzerland. Yan yung mga pupuntahan natin. Green Valleys, Crystal Lakes. Wow, ang ganda ng ruta natin.
So we'll have
Mag-i-invite ako ng mga riders natin na willing sumama. Hindi pa tapos yung meeting, nagtatanong ka na agad ng anong next ride.
Para mapapag-ipunan na natin.
Yan, mapaghandaan, mapag-ipunan.
so we have a lot of on-road tours and also off-road.
Yun ang gusto niya.
Yan ang gusto ko.
The off-road, sige, I'll show you
Off-road.
the on-road muna.
Ito yung on-road.
These are the on-road tours. This is Stelvio Pass. So, ganyan yung switchbacks.
Yan.
Yes.
Sarap niyan. Parang sa
ganyan ang
Morocco din Yan, kaya lang sa Morocco, yung kulay nila is brown. This one is green.
Yes.
Ganda,
Yan.
mukhang mataas to ah.
Taas yan.
Okay.
So these are the tours. So ito, for example, Balkans. This is like a 14-day tour. 10 Nations Balkan Extreme. If you're familiar with Jocelyn Snow, she is medyo legendary sa BMW. She's very tiny. She's like 5'1".
Mami, mas matangkad ka pa doon.
Oh, ang lupit niya mag-ride. Wild.
Papatalo ka ba doon, boss?
This is another Alpine tour. This one is Andalusia. So this is November. This is a special tour in October. So this is going to be from Garmisch to Malaga, passing through Germany, Austria, Italy, France, Andorra, and Spain.
Wow.
These are also different Alps tours.
Okay.
There's even a ladies-only tour. Ganyan din.
Ayos ah. Dapat nakalagay, The Real Boss Tour. Nasa ang goal natin yung ganyan, mga 3 beses sa isang taon, Mami. Pwede na yan. Okay, off-road
By
tour
the
naman
way,
tayo.
we are on twtmoto.com.
Okay. Oh, shout out to twt.moto.com.
These are the off-road tours. These two here, basically these are like tours that you
Oh,
can
may
do.
3 days lang ah.
Yeah, kasi 3 days lang to. It's basically you do one day riding sa labas, tapos 2 days training.
Okay.
TWT Moto also runs the BMW Motorrad Enduro Park, which is basically this massive like off-road adventure place for off-road enthusiasts.
Sige.
So maganda siya. We have also the China Great Wall in Inner Mongolia tour, Maritime Alps. So this is Italy and France. As you can see, maganda yung mga prices at 2,890 lang for 8 tour days.
Yep.
And then this one is the Carpathians to Danube,
Ganda nito, Mami.
Romania.
Pwede
That's
backride
7
dyan,
days.
ma'am, kahit off-road?
Usually sa backride, it depende sa tour.
Kasi kaya kitang i-backride, Mami, ng off-road eh. Maniwala ka lang sa kakayanan ko, Mami. Kaya kitang i-back. Nagawa natin sa Namibia, Mami. Gawin natin ulit. Namimiss ko yun. I'm good because you're here.
Congratulations on the new bike.
Oh, thank you.
Did the resort in Bataan,
What kind of resort?
La Jolla.
She's not yet contacting me.
Okay, he wants a water system. I sent you a message a while ago, and I don't think you read it, or maybe you didn't get it.
Maybe I didn't
But
get
I
it.
mentioned it to him.
Okay.
That you're looking for a water system because I told him you did Stevens.
Yeah.
Up at Red Baron.
Yeah, Red Baron.
Anyways, just thought I'd let you know.
Thank you. Bahawa.
You're looking good.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I could.
You can do it.
Hi, I'm Karen.
It's Karen.
How are you?
A BMW brand ambassador.
I'm from here. Yeah, but I'm half Scottish.
Half
I
Scottish.
lived in the U.S. I'm half Scottish,
Half Scottish.
but I lived in the
I'm
U.S.
half Limey. I was born in Liverpool. What are you buying today?
PMS only?
On your old bike? Or
Yeah,
the
my old bike.
So how do you like the automatic?
It's good.
Are you going to be riding it?
She will ride it.
Just make sure, I'll give you a safety tip. If you stop somewhere in a town or if you do a ride or a loop and there's kids coming up, put the bike in neutral.
Or you know what will happen.
I was
You know what will happen.
Yeah. The same thing that happened to Nat.
Yes. Bomba bomba.
Yeah, no, the Marshall, Ironman Marshall came up and did that to Nadja's bike in his gold bike. It was in gear. I only recognized afterwards that you were on the back of the bike and you passed us going up the highway, going to Vegan. And then I think you went and stayed at the place that had the farm.
Yeah, safari.
But you went up to Friday. We went up to Friday too. We went up Friday and we stayed at, because then when I seen the video afterwards, I'm going, oh, I wonder if he's going to show up, him passing us, because there was like 4 of us, 5 of us that were driving up to Vegan. But we went up the day before because we wanted to stay away from all the racers. That was the weekend the typhoon came. So we stayed 2 extra nights in Vegan.
We're going to ride to Germany. You want to come?
You want to join us? We're going to the BMW Motorrad Days.
Yeah.
Germany's actually good. You can go so many places and the climate's not so bad.
Even in summer, it's pretty comfortable still.
Actually, she speaks Tagalog fluently.
Yeah.
How about you?
No Tagalog.
No Tagalog.
You don't want to hear some of the words that come out of my mouth when I'm driving. That's why I don't vlog with audio.
This guy is the vlogger.
I make videos, but I'm just doing it for my family and friends. Put it on YouTube.
What is your request? Come on, say it to them.
No, Dad.
If you could please do your videos
Yes?
with English English closed captioning.
Only a caption.
Just in English. yeah.
Subtitle.
Okay,
I can
okay.
read because my ears are bad anyway, so
You just need to read it.
even I watch Aaron's videos.
Okay.
I leave the closed captioning on.
Okay. I will try my best.
Because you
Caption for you.
But she's too shy.
Yes. She is.
I don't like talking and talking and talking.
You could take over the channel. You realize that. You could be a superstar. He could just be the star.
Yes. I am the cameraman. I'm always pointing the camera this way. Baka po may mga gustong sumama.
Yeah, you never know. Do you guys have any other questions?
Wala na po. Apo. Thank you for making things clear.
You're welcome. I hope it was clear enough.
It's clear
And
enough.
I'm really glad you guys got in touch with me even though na-stress kayo sa pangalan ko na hala, English pa to.
Yeah, oo nga. That's good to know you speak Tagalog fluently.
Gusto ko nga matuto ng Bisaya eh.
Maganda, of course. Oo.
But it's funny kasi because I am friends with a lot of the guys from Davao. So when I talk to them, nakukuha ko yung punto nila. And then I'm starting to understand words. So like they're talking and I'm like tawa-tawa. Naiintindihan mo kami? Medyo. It was so
Okay.
nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
So nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
And thank you for subscribing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Saan kayo nag-subscribe? YouTube?
Both.
Wow, YouTube. Even TikTok. Wow.
TikTok.
Thank you. Wala TikTok. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, brother. See you. Thank you.
Ella, picture na ano. Nice.
Sure.
Yun.
Dito ka na.
Tara po.
Okay.
Isa.
Yun.
Yun. Musta, Tiger?
Sir,
Tiger. Thank you, sir.
taga saan kayo, sir?
Valenzuela po.
Venezuela. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, boss.
Salamat.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Ayun. Picture na tayo sa brand ambassador ng BMW. Wow. Isang karangalan po, ma'am. Magaan.
Hindi yung ganda. Pagkapi-kapi lang.
Ganda ng tangke, oh. Tanong mo kay Ronald. Broom. R90. This is option 719. Top of the line. Lakas makaporma, no?
Parang gwapo, no?
Okay, kakabit na ngayon yung ating Pirelli na galing kay paring Francis Car Scoot. Ito mo yung itsura niya, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Gano'n kaya katagal ang lifespan nito. Tapos dito, oh, ayun na itsura niya ngayon. Para siyang naging mas modelong 1250. Next project natin, papalitan natin ng mga ilaw. Lagyan natin ng clear water or mas modelo kasi matagal na itong GR lights ko eh. Basag na rin. So yan ang mga i-upgrade natin dito sa ating unang BMW 250. Yan, kasa maintain eh. Nagpa-change oil na rin tayo, guys. Shoutout to Camilo Rider. Dito yung kaibigan natin, oh, si Joe Rojas. Yan, tropa natin yan, si Mark Ibon dyan sa Puerto Princesa. Shoutout. Okay, habang naghihintay kami na matapos yung motor namin, kain muna kami ni asawa kong maganda. How's the BMW F900, boss? How do you see it when I'm riding it? Ano nakita mo sa mukha ko nung sinakyan ko siya? Kaya na nga lang natin yan.
Gutom lang yan.
Baka sakaling mapansin din tayo ng BMW. Baka naman. Kain tayo, guys. May pa-dessert pa po. Sarap naman yan. Ikaw mo ng first bite. Alam mo ba, mami, kapag unang slice daw ng cake, kung yun daw yung una mong susubuan, yun daw ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay. Kaya ikaw ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay mo.
Of course. I love yourself.
Tama yan.
I love yourself.
Oo, mahal ko din yun eh. Pangalawa na lang ako. Ay, ang sarap nga.
So good.
Ako muna, mami, ha?
Sarap, no?
Sarap. The best. Tikman natin. Sarap. Ayos.
So, ang breakdown natin is 10,900.
10,928 pesos. Okay, you pay na, mami. Let's go.
Ka naman eh.
Alam man ako magbabayad.
Oh, you have your card naman. So you pay.
Ikaw na magbayad, mami.
Bakit ako?
Yun, nalibre mo na ako. Motor mo naman yun.
Pailawan mo.
Oh, yes, pailawan ko siya. Bayad ka na, boss, ha? Tutorial ko, paano ba ang tamang pagmamap? Parang balungkot na balungkot ka sa ginagawa mo, ah. Parang kinakawawa ka dito sa Laos, ah. Pag magmamap ka, dapat nakasmile ka. Pag may dumating na bisita dyan, good morning, ma'am, good morning, sir. Diretso po tayo dito, tuloy po tayo. Ganon. Papasok ako, kunyari. Hi, good morning. Sige, thank you. Oh, medyo. Konting practice pa. Oh, let's go, guys. Okay na ulit. Yung aking motor. Ito yung best feeling pag maayos na yung motor ko. Thank you, ma'am, sa libre. Uwi na kami Pangasinan. Yeah, we're back here at Watermax. Oh, ano nangyari, pare? Yan na ang kape ko. Tama-tama, lasing ko na. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Isang karangalan, sir. Welcome to Watermax. Ano nga yung paglilingkod ko?
Napaglingkod na ako ni Mom.
Ay, napaglingkuran ka na ni Wenny. Saan kayo galing?
sa kabila sir, namili ng Francis eh, bumili ng t-shirt.
Thank you, sir, ah.
Sir,
Ano?
kumuha ako ng package 5.
9 mo na, pare.
Sabi sa'yo
Hindi pa kaya ng budget.
Pautang ko sa'yo, pare.
Yun lang kasi lahat ng kailangan wala ako eh. Para dun sa, di ba yung sa mga installment nyo is,
Cheque lang. Tulungan kita sa cheque, pare.
agaw muna ako sa package for 5.
Oo naman. Basta kung kailangan mo ng tulong,
Opo, opo.
I got your back, brother.
Salamat.
Thank you, ah. Taga saan ka? Makati.
Na ako.
Commute. Hatid nyo to sa sakayan. Malapit kila Francis Car Scoot. That's good to meet you, Dane.
So makasilip yung garahe mo eh.
Nasa kabila. Pwede mo silipin, boss. Pasama ka kay Wenny.
Kasi totoo ako doon sa mga limited edition Vespa.
Silipin mo,
Natutuwa
boss.
ako.
Ito lang.
Hindi, okay lang kung hindi pwede.
Pwede. Ako na nga nagsasabi, naka-record pa, oh. Pwede mong tignan. Andoon. Kaya lang, I cannot come with you now kasi may ginagawa ako.
Doon muna ako sa Mansky. Gusto ko tignan yung coffee.
Sure. Pakapihin mo, wag mong pagbabayarin.
Ah, sige.
On the house. Pare, on the house. Dapat yung damit, di mo na pinabayaran kay sir. Bira ka, regalo ko na lang sana. Guys, so kamusta ang maghapon nyo?
Sir.
Happy naman kayo? Happy kayo? Wala ako, no?
No, sir.
May mga kain na dumating? Very good, very good. Oh, back to work na ako. Alright, so maraming nangyari ngayong araw. We already set our ride pupuntang Germany, Switzerland. Magmumotor tayo doon gamit ang BMW. Pagkatapos, pupunta tayo sa India, no? Jinky. After the Manibela Challenge yan, sunod-sunod yung ride natin. Ipapasyal ko kayo doon, guys. Ito, nakauwi na kami, nakapagpagawa na ng motor. Naipakabit ko na rin yung gulong. Galing yan kay Francis ng Car Scoot. Yun na, back to work na ako. Editing. Let's go. Okay, may kausap tayong customer ngayon, guys. Eto, bibili ng package 9. Kailangan namin ng collateral eh. Hindi pasok yung Raider 150 kasi yung value nun hindi rin papasok sa 200,000 plus, di ba?
Yes po. 100 plus lang yun eh.
Mababa yung value. Pero negosyante kayo, sir, di ba? May dalawang helmet shop kayo.
Yes po.
Helmet shop, baka naman. Tutulungan ko kayong i-market yung helmet shop nyo.
Yun, thank you sir.
Bibisita ako dyan.
Yun nga sir, pwede naman sana namin kuhanin yung yung papatagtad sa helmet shop. Galing sa helmet shop, kaya lang sabi ko magagalong kasi yung puhunan.
Hindi, huwag natin gagalawin yun, sir. Tanda mo, dito ako para tumulong, hindi para mamerwisyo. Dahil subscriber naman kita, follower pa kita, lagi ka na mamanood, may top fan badge ka ba?
Hindi ko lang
Naku! Wala palang top fan badge eh.
Requirements pala yun ni sir na.
Syempre, required ko yun para pag humingi ka ng pabor, madali akong umuo. Sige sir, ganito na lang gawin natin. Since solid follower ka naman sir.
Yes po.
Pwede na sa akin yung Raider 150 na papel lang, pare.
Apa.
Hindi ko kukunin yung motor, sa'yo yan. ORCR lang ang collateral mo sa akin. Okay na yun. Oh, di ba? Happy sila, oh.
Salamat po. Hello po.
Oh, yan. Saan ang helmet shop niyo, boss?
Sa Tansa din po. Smartly Helmet Shop.
Tansa Cavite.
Opo.
Meron bang empty helmet dyan, boss?
Spider sir.
Spider, meron. Kung may empty helmet dyan, ako, sigurado maganda yung helmet shop niyo. Lagyan natin ng empty yan.
Lover pala si sir, no? Meron pong mga empty minsan.
Pinakamagandang helmet yon empty. Gawa sa Spain.
Pinag-iisip pa nga po namin yun eh.
Kapresyo lang din naman ng mga binanggit nyong brands. Pero the helmet is made in Spain. Hindi gawang China. Tapos pasok sa number 8 safetiest helmet sa buong mundo. Sampa ka. Dapat yun ang minamarket natin.
Dinadahan-dahan pa nga namin sir. Tinatrabaho pa namin.
Oh, may AGV ba dyan? May Shoei ba dyan?
Wala pa.
Oh, yan. Mga products si Moto Market yan, brother. Ayan, soon. Pagka malakas na yung water station mo, boss, kumikita na, it's time for you na magbenta na rin ng mga mas high-end helmets, mga high-end apparels, di ba? Oh, pala yun. Tama yung decision mo, water station muna, negosyo muna, kasi yan, mga anak ng maraming motor.
Sinakasais nga talaga namin sir yung big bike. Sabi ko wag ka na mag-worry kasi mapapalitan naman yan baka nga mas...
Parehas kayo ng dialogue ng asawa ko.
Ay naman sir, ay nako.
Binenta ni Ella yung big bike ko para lang makabili ng galon. Oo. Di binenta na yung big bike ko, yung R1 ko. Niyakan ko yun, sir. Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag na wala akong motor. Sisipagan ko para makabili ulit ako ng motor.
Ayun.
O, ito na, sir. Sinipagan ko na, sir. Bumebenta yung tubigan ko ng 6,000 pesos daily.
Wow.
Yes,
Solid
legit
naman.
yan. After 1 year, sir, bumili ako ng BMW. True story to. Nabenta ko yung R1 ko 2008. 2007 model yung R1 ko. Yung singkit, yung maganda yung itsura, yung parang Raven ng itsura. I sell it 2008. Nag-start ako magnegosyo ng tubig 2008, yung Watermax. Lumakas na siya, mga 2010 na yon. Yun na, bumili na ako ng first BMW ko.
Sir, no? Na umaagad siya talaga.
Sinipagan ko eh.
Oh, yun yung technique.
Yung big bike na binenta mo, huwag mong manginayang dyan. Kasi time will come, babagsak ang value. Pagkabili mo, wala nang value. Bagsak ulit ang presyo. Pero ang machine, ang water station, boss, ma-differentiate yung value ng machine. Pero boss, limpak-limpak ng pera kinita mo dun. It's better na wala muna ngayon. Focus ka sa negosyo. Trabahuin mo ng 1 year. Pagka hindi nangyari yung sinasabi ko, boss, kasalanan mo kasi tinamad ka.
Opo.
Last 2 days ago, kausap ko kahapon. Aquapura Water Refilling Station, taga Bulacan to. Si Miles ang may-ari, kaibigan ko din. Hindi niya kinarir yung water station kasi may tracking business na to. Sabi niya, pare, hindi ko na-expect na yung tubigan ko, kikita pala ng 130,000 net every month.
Grabe.
Yes, ngayon, nagpipilipin loop siya. Naka BMW 1250 yan.
Wow.
Tapos lahat ng tropa niya, bumili rin sa akin ng machine. May proof eh. Boss, bigyan kita ng magandang machine, bigyan kita ng matibay na machine, bigyan kita ng masarap na lasa ng tubig, magandang marketing, kasi yung marketing naman natin, boss, pwede mong gamitin yung branding ng Watermax. Binibigyan namin kayo ng paraan kung paano mag-digital sales marketing tayo. Management ka na lang. It's up to you. Kapag pumalpa ka pa dyan, boss, hindi ko na kasalanan yun. Kasalanan mo na yun. Diba? Kaya nga ako, malakas ang loob ko. Pautang ko sa'yo kasi negosyo, pare. Di kita kilala, di mo kilala personally, pare. Pero malakas ang loob ko, pare. Kahit sabi ko nga sa'yo, Raider 150, what is that value? Di ba? Hindi man lang magko-compensate sa amount. Pero sabi ko nga, ORCR lang naman eh. Pangahawakan ko lang yan, pare. Sabi ko nga, approve natin yan kasi gusto mong magnegosyo. Saka solid follower ka.
Oo nga, sir. Kailangan gusto namin dumirekta sa'yo. Baka pwedeng payagan kami ni sir kasi wala.
O, inaprobahan ko na nga eh. Lalo pag tapan ka, boss. Di ba sa Facebook nakalagay ka Watermax? Yun, nako. Nako, boss.
Sir,
Oh.
pwede po bang hindi na kami pumunta dyan? Ano na lang kami sa visit?
Pwede naman di ka na pumunta dito kung nagtitiwala ka sa akin, pare. Kaya lang, you have to pay. Kailangan magbabayad po kayo ng reservation. Tapos pag sinite visit ka, babayaran mo na yung down payment mo para mag-run na po yung ating transaction.
Yes po, sir.
Ano sir, tumatanggap naman kayo lahat ng online transactions, sir, no? Online payment.
Oo naman, wag lang po sa pangalan ng sekretarya ko.
Kasi
Dapat sa mga bangko lang nasa likod ko, yan, yung mga bangko lang dyan. Pwede naman, boss, deposit lang kayo ng 20,000 reservation, tapos papupuntahan ko kayo dyan sa inyo. For the site visit, dala yung kontrata, pagkatapos, boss, kuha sila ng water sample, ipapalaboratory namin yon. Siyempre, you have to settle the down payment para gawin ko na yung makina. 35 working days, di-deliver ko dyan yung machine mo, makapag-open ka na ng negosyo.
bilis naman tayo, sir.
Siyempre. Baka Watermax yan. Ito, sample ko sa'yo. Sa helmet, magkano tubo mo?
15% lang.
15%. Isa-isang araw nakakailang helmet ka.
Maswerte na po pag makadalawa eh.
Swerte na dalawa. Boss, sa tubig, yung customer mo ng Monday, customer mo yun ng Wednesday. Yung customer mo ng Monday at Wednesday, customer mo rin siya ng Friday. Tuloy-tuloy. Kasi iniinom.
Sir, no?
Araw-araw naubos.
Essential kasi, sir.
Ang helmet, pag sinuot ko, ginamit ko, hindi na ako bibili ulit kasi meron na ako.
Opo. Sir,
Pero ang tubig, ininom ko yan ng Lunes, iinumin ko ulit ng Wednesday, iinumin ko na. Lahat ng taong umiinom, customer mo, boss. Anong reason para mabankrupt ka dyan? Kung helmet nga na pagtsatsagaan mong ibenta eh, how much more itong tubig? Mga naka-BMW to, pare. Lahat to. Kausap ko lang kanina. Lahat yon may tubigan galing sa akin. Tapos lahat sila, very satisfied sa binili sa akin. Kung palpak yung mga binili ko sa kanila, palagay ko, magagalit sa akin yun pag nagkita kami, di ba? Satisfied sila eh. Nagpa-picture pa nga sa akin kanina eh. Kakauwi ko lang. Masaya ako kasi malakas yung negosyo nila.
soon, sir, makakapunta din kami sa inyo, makakapag-picture.
Puntahan mo na ako pag naka-big bike ka.
Opo, sir. Dadalaman ka namin, sir.
Ayan lang ang payo ko sa iyo, ma'am. Support mo lang si sir. Kagaya ng ginagawa ng wife ko sa akin. Support mo lang si sir. Magkatagumpay kayo.
Opo, thank you so much talaga, sir. Ang daming tips.
Ngayon lang yan, sir. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa'yo. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa'yo 2008. Ganon din ako. Talagang iniyakan ko yung big bike ko, sir. Halos ayaw ko pa kumit ng big bike noon. Kasi nauna, paggawa ng bahay, nagpalaki ng planta, yun. Ang tubigan po, araw-araw may pera ka. Ang helmet, pwedeng wala kang benta isang araw.
Okay lang kaya yun, sir, kung may katapat kasi kaming water station.
Ang tanungin mo kung okay lang ba siya kasi Watermax ka, package 9 pa. Yun ang problema. Never naman naging goal natin na pabagsakin ng ibang negosyo. Never natin naging goal yan. Kaya lang, mararamdaman ka talaga niya, hihina yan. Sa ayaw mo at sa gusto, ganun talaga. Kasi sa last run tubig natin iba.
Wala sana kaming problema, sir, kung ma-avail namin yung mas mura. Kaya lang, sir, goal kasi namin, doon na sa pinaka-okay na offer.
Ibig sabihin, nanonood ka talaga ng vlog ko.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Hindi lang nanonood, ang tawag dyan, iniintindi mo yung sinasabi ko. Good decision. Oh.
Thank you so much,
Huwag mo
sir.
nang bebenta yung Raider mo kasi yan lang yung magiging susi mo para sa 200,000 plus. Sa 5 pirasong tubig, sa 10 piraso na lang na tubig, kung binenta mo ng 30 pesos, malinis sa 300 piso agad yun. Ang puhunan mo lang doon, sir, 30 pesos. Tumubo ka agad. Kasi piso lang ang puhunan mo kada isang container. Ang laki ng tubo. Ngayon, kung mamimismanage mo, hindi ko nakasalanan yun. Pagka may problema, sir, huwag kang mahiyang tawagan kami kasi assist namin kayo.
Thank you so much, sir. Wala pa kasi kami dito, sir, na nawasa. Di ba kami inaabot dito ng Maynila?
Okay lang po yun. Mas maganda po yun. Mas malaki kita sa deep well.
Ganun po.
O paano? Good luck sa business venture natin.
Sige po, sir.
Hindi po ito huling pag-uusap natin, ma'am, sir.
Yes po.
Welcome to Watermax po. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
God bless.
Thank you.